By Jeff Amy, Associated Press Gainesville, GA. A liquid nitrogen leak at a northeast Georgia poultry plant killed 6 people Thursday and sent 11 others to the hospital, officials said. At least 3 of those injured at the Foundation Food Group plant in Gainesville were reported in critical condition. Poultry plants rely on refrigeration systems that can include liquid nitrogen. Sheriff's deputies, the U.S. Occupational Safety and Health Administration and the state fire marshal were investigating the deaths and cause of the leak. It will be a lengthy process, Hull County Sheriff Gerald Couch said. It's not something that's quick. Foundation Food Group Vice President for Human Resources Nicholas Ancrum called the leak a tragic accident and said early indications are that a nitrogen line ruptured in the facility. When leaked into the air, liquid nitrogen vaporizes into an odorless gas that's capable of displacing oxygen. That means leaks in enclosed spaces can become deadly by pushing away breathable air, according to the U Chemical Safety Board. Gainesville is the hub of Georgia's poultry industry, which is the largest in the country. Thousands of employees work across multiple processing plants around the city, and much of the workforce, like in many meat processing plants nationwide, is Latino. Workers who had fled the plant were gathered outside when firefighters responded to the leak Thursday morning, Hull County Fire Department Division Chief Zach Brackett said. Once the units arrived, they found a large contingent of employees that had evacuated, along with multiple victims that were in that crowd that were also experiencing medical emergencies around the facility, Brackett said. Beth Downs, a spokesperson for Northeast Georgia Health System, said 5 people died at the plant and 1 person died in the emergency room. Hull County Sheriff's Office spokesperson Derreck Booth said officials were trying to notify family members of the deceased. No names were released. Ancrum said maintenance personnel, supervisors and managers were among the victims. Every team member is equally important to us, and our hearts go out to their families and communities who have suffered such a devastating loss, Ancrum said. The plant was known as Prime Pak Foods until January, when it became part of Foundation Food Group, a privately held company that Ancrum said has 4 Gainesville-area locations. The plant takes raw chicken and processes it into products like chicken fingers and individual chicken cuts for restaurants and food service operations, partially cooking them and then freezing them for later use. Previous safety violations at the plant show no problems with the refrigeration system. The plant has been cited by OSHA for violations 4 times in the past 10 years, online records show.